Want to live in the country but not too far from Prescott? This house is definitely one of a kind. Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Zanella, your Prescott Arizona realtor. If you're coming from out of town or out of state, or if you would like more information about Prescott, don't forget to call me, drop me a line, send me an email. I'll be very happy to help. Today I'm going to take you to a place that it's like jumping back in time, but with all modern amenities, tons of outdoor space, beautiful views, a lot of style and peace. The house has so many details that you really don't see very often. Yeah, cozy, beautiful views, nice open floor plan, a dining room that I have not seen in a long time. If you like more information about the famous Williamson Valley corridor, which is where we are in now, don't forget to call me, drop me a line, send me an email. I'll be very happy to help and I'm very friendly. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next tour here in Prescott, Arizona. So long.